Data cleaning. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of fixing, or removing incorrect, corrupted, incorrectly formatted, duplicate, or incomplete data within a dataset. When combining multiple data sources, there are many opportunities for data to be duplicated, or mislabeled. If data is incorrect, outcomes and algorithms are unreliable, even though they may look correct. There is no one absolute way to prescribe the exact steps in the data cleaning process, because the processes will vary from dataset to dataset. But it is crucial to establish a template for your data cleaning process, so you know you are doing it the right way every time. What is the difference between data cleaning and data transformation? Data cleaning is the process that removes data that does not belong in your dataset. Data transformation is the process of converting data from one format or structure into another. Transformation processes can also be referred to as data wrangling or data munging, transforming and mapping data from one raw data form into another format for warehousing and analyzing. Let's look at the steps for cleaning the data. 1. Removing null or duplicate records. If in a particular row, a significant amount of data is missing, then it would be better to drop that row as it would not be adding any value to our model. You can impute the value, provide an appropriate substitute for the missing data. Also always remember to delete duplicate or redundant values from your dataset as they might result in a bias in your model. 2. Dropping unnecessary columns. When we receive the data from stakeholders, generally it is huge. There can be a log of data that might not add any value to our model. Such data is better removed, as it would valuable resources like memory and processing time. 3. Renaming columns. It's always better to rename the columns and format them to the most readable format, which can be understood by both the data scientist and the business. For example, in the student dataset, renaming the column name as student_name makes it meaningful. 4. Treating missing values. There are many ways to take care of the missing values in a dataset. It's up to the data scientist and the dataset in hand to choose the most appropriate method. The most commonly used methods are imputing the dataset with mean, median, or mode, removing those particular records with one or more values missing, and in some cases creating machine learning algorithms, like linear regression, and k-nearest neighbor, is also used for treating the missing values. 5. Outlier detection. Outliers can be considered as noise in the dataset. There can be several reasons for outliers like data entry error, manual error, experimental error, etc. 6. Reshape or restructuring the data. Most of the business data provided to the data scientist are not in the most readable format. It's our job to reshape the data and get it to the format which can be used for analysis. For example, creating a new variable from the existing variables, or combining two or more variables. We will study in details about all these topics in the upcoming videos.
If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment down below. I will respond as per my best. Signing out.